Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You'll begin by confirming prerequisites: NFC enabled, tag writable, and shortcut app installed. Open Shortcuts and tap the plus to make a new personal automation. This is the entry point that runs when the tag is scanned. Choose the NFC trigger and tap Scan, then hold the tag to the phone until it recognizes the ID. Name the tag so you can identify it later. Once done, you'll move into composing the actions that make the shortcut useful for your workflow. Now build the action sequence that the tag will execute. Tap Add Action and choose from Apps, HomeKit commands, URLs, or scripting steps like if and wait. Those let you create conditional flows and pauses. Arrange actions in the order you want them to run and use variables for dynamic content. Make sure to set relevant permissions when prompted. Shortcuts will ask to access apps or devices. Once configured, tap the play icon to run the shortcut and watch finish by reviewing automation settings. If you want it to run without confirmation, turn off Ask before running so the tag triggers actions immediately. Tap Done to save the automation and then test by scanning the tag from the lock screen and with the phone unlocked. If it doesn't run, rescan the tag and the NFC trigger to ensure the correct ID, check shortcuts and app permissions, and confirm NFC is active. If behavior persists, try a different tag or restart the phone to reset the NFC controller.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.